I was working on a set for Busy Signal, a code directing. One set named Gala Good. The code direct the video.
Yeah.
And with the link, Mighty Code, we get some Japanese, cause him say Japanese girl good. Mushy mushy, eh?
Yeah.
And I see Japanese girl, I look for me, you know. And me I say, which one me like? And I say, dear man, you take that one and me take that one. I said, what dear man? Me not like how she look for me. No, I was uncomfortable. She was looking at me a certain type of way that me not want a Japanese. And me realize why them a look for me because they couldn't speak English. Because we have to have one of the Mighty Code selector there and translate for us. And the only thing that them turn to me and say, afterwards, cause we stop shooting now and
They never say anaconda.
No, never say no anaconda. She just turned to me and say, you the guy in Kaleido video. The Japanese who can't speak English. But she turned to me and said, you the guy in Kaleido video. So me I said, no, I true Kaleido thought then, man. Because if she go all the way to Japan, and what was the video to? Was Run. That video went huge for Kaleido. Run! I don't say me play well for Bad Mind video and I'm sitting there, I want to roll like that. So, during the time now, that was about 2014, 15, me, as when I say, I just popular, me popular.
Yardstyle live.